Hello everyone, myself Siddhi Patil. I am studying BSc B.Ed first year, Department of Education and Extension. In this video, we are going to review a novel which is written by Roald Dahl, Lamb to the Slaughter. Let's begin.
Let's start it. Lamb to the Slaughter, which is written by Roald Dahl. Let me tell about the author. Roald Dahl, born 13 September 1960, land of Cardiff, United Kingdom. She is dead 23 November 1990, Oxford, United Kingdom. Roald Dahl was British novelist, short story writer, poet, screenwriter, and wartime fighter of Norwegian descent. His books have sold more than 250 million copies worldwide. Lamb to the Slaughter is a 1954 short story by Roald Dahl. It was initially rejected along with four other stories by The New Yorker, but was published in Harper's Magazine in September 1953. It was adapted for an episode for Alfred Hitchcock Presents that starred Barbara Bel Geddes and Harold J. Stone. Let's start with the story. The story opens on Mary Maloney, who is waiting patiently but eagerly for her husband, a police officer, to get home from work. When he finally does arrive, Patrick Maloney silently takes the drink his wife has prepared for him and even makes his own stronger second one. Next part. It's Thursday and the couple usually dines out on those evenings, but Mary recognized Patrick may be to try, so she offered to prepare dinner, despite her advanced pregnancy. Patrick seems bested by his wife's insistence on being useful and asks her instead to listen to what he has to say. He proceeds to tell her, though he never states it explicitly, that he is planning on leaving her. Next part. In totally state of shock, Mary continues to go about making dinner, handless to Patrick saying that he is going out. Coming to the first piece of meat in the basement freezer, a leg of lamb, she takes it upstairs for dinner. She finds Patrick facing away from her in the den and, without a single thought, clubs him in the back of the head with the leg of lamb, killing him instantly. Next part. Suddenly realizing the severity of her crime, Mary quickly goes about covering it up. She puts the lamb in the oven and goes to local grocer to buy vegetables to complete the dinner. After returning home and finding her husband dead, she calls the police, who are also friends of the family. They are arrived promptly and investigated. Try and confused from their investigation, Mary pleads tearfully with the detectives to let her finish the dinner she was preparing. Out of pity for the new window, they concede. While enjoying the lamb, the men discuss the case, each them convinced that the murder weapon, which has yet to be found, is probably right under their noses. I hope you enjoy this novel, The Lamb to the Slaughter. Now, moral of the story. The moral of the story is not underestimate anyone. The husband underestimated Mary, thinking that she would be fine with the news. She wasn't fine with it. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you all.